Iihingan namin itong game because pag natalo kami, we're gonna end up in the wild card. And no one wants to end up there. So everyone needs to play their A game, and we badly need this win.
Alaska, they too have to win a game. So it's just like a do or die game for both of us. This game is probably gonna be like a playoff. Because we don't want to go to the wild card. We want to be able to go to at least the quarterfinals.
We got to go out there and play hard and match our intensity. We definitely don't want to go in the wild card. Hopefully that we get that win.
Sa mga pananalita nga, no, mga narinig ninyo mga interview, no, sa mga players ng Barangay Ginebra, maaanilag nyo na kung gaano kahalaga itong larong ito. At sa kasalukuyan po mga kaibigan, ay sinasakay sa stretcher si Ronald Tubid na kanina lang pagkatapos niyan tumira ng jump shot ay sa ating pagkakakita sa replay, no, parang natapakan niya yata yung paa ni Jeffrey Cariaso, kaya baka na-twist yung kanyang paa, no? Kaya talaga namang namimilipit sa sakit itong si Ronald Tubid. At halos hindi nga po makatayo. So minarapat na i-stretcher na lamang si Ronald Tubid. Narito yung lifeline. Yun yung naka-standby ho yung parate rito. Okay. At na natin kung ano po ang well, malamang hindi naman kalaro ngayon niya. yung sitwasyon na ganyan sa pagkakakita natin mukhang hindi na makakabalik kayo niyan.
Usually if you get carted off, it's a telltale sign na hindi ka na makakabalik. What you want to see if you're from the same team is pag may na-injure na teammate mo is he's able to walk away from that injury. Miski yung nakaakbay lang sa kanyang mga teammate. Not the case for Ronald Tubig.
All right. Well, that's rather sad development para sa Barangay Ginebra. But you know, this team has been through many adverse conditions and they've managed to survive. So tingnan natin, sa kasalukuyan, naghahabol sila ng 7. Alaska in the lead, 31-24 here in the second quarter. LA Tenorio. Randy Holcomb. Larry Flasher is open. Medyo mas malapit lang ng konti ngayon. Kanina, 3-point shot from that almost the same spot. Junti Valenzuela. Labang kay Larry Flasher. Matagal di magkasama yan sa Red Bull. Here's Helterbrand. Kagiwa. Back to Helterbrand. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Junti Valenzuela sumaksak sa loob. Tinira. Pumasok.
A good defense of Alaska for 23 seconds until Junti took it to the hold. Nakita natin yung ofensiba ng Barangay Ginebra. Very far. Couldn't set it up until Junti took matters into his own hands.
Here's Willie Miller. Galabas kay LA Tenorio. Larry Flasher. Flasher nakasilip sa loob. Pinapatay ni Kagiwa. Here's Randy Holcomb against Helterbrand. Binigay kay Tenorio. 2 seconds to go on the shot clock. Aba, 2 can play this game. Sabi ni LA Tenorio, kung kaya ni Junti yan, kaya ko rin.
Second time na si LA Tenorio, tinirahan ng harap-harapan ito si Chris Alexander. And twice he has been successful.
And the pass inside, deflected by Randy Holcomb. Willie Miller, the bounce pass to Tenorio. Tenorio, dilabas kay Miller ulit. And they will set it up. Miller, dilabas kay Larry Flasher. Ang layo nito. And that was offline. 7:05 to go. Second quarter, 9-point lead para sa Alaska Aces. Helterbrand. Junti against Larry Flasher. Dilabas kay Helterbrand. Helterbrand to Kagiwa. Set shot. 3-pointers no good. And Alexander swats it over to J.J. Helterbrand. Sinusunod na pa rin ni LA Tenorio. And Helterbrand sets up the play para sa Barangay Ginebra. Helterbrand pa rin. The bounce pass to Alex Pisano. He backs up. Alexander. Palakas. And on the rebound play as Randy Holcomb went for the loose ball. May foul na tatawagin. Maramang kay Alex Pisano. Yes, it is his first personal foul.
A couple of oohs from the crowd dahil yung mga tira ng Barangay Ginebra na sa huling mga possession, they have been close and they have been missing some shots that you would think that they would regularly make.
Yeah. 6.5 minutes to go. Second quarter. Willie Miller. Randy Holcomb. Bonasher. Miller is wide open. Pero wala. And Junti Valenzuela comes down with a rebound. Valenzuela into the front court. Sinalubong ni Larry. Pumasok pa pabanda. Talagang sinugod ni Junti Valenzuela. Yung dati niya kakampi sa Red Bull na si Larry Fonacier. Hinarangan siya ni Larry Fonacier. Pero talagang sabi ni Junti Valenzuela, kailangan ko nang i-score ito. Kanina pa ako dinidikitan ni Larry.
3 possessions of Barangay Ginebra. 3 times inatake ni Junti Valenzuela. Ito si Larry Fonacier. Obviously, he feels that he has the advantage in that matchup, and Barangay Ginebra has been going to that.
And so a 3-point play opportunity para kay Junti Valenzuela. Ano yan itong amigong Bisaya? Junti Valenzuela, subukan nun. Fonacier. Holcomb. Laban kay Artadi. Here's Miller. Miller pa rin. Miller gets away. Binigay kay Tony De La Cruz. Wala. And Miller follows it up.
That's a yeoman's job mula kay Willie Miller. He was able to set up his teammate by getting to the basket. Tapos, he didn't give up on the play. Siya pa yung nakakuha ng offensive rebound. Not easy, but he gets 2 points.
All right. Artadi. And there's going to be a foul.
Pushing foul, 7-7 cross. His first second team foul on the 8-6. Shot clock at 14.